Guys, you speak anyone? Anyone? Okay. This is how I am. Comment student guys, I'm audible.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Now check I'm audible. Loud and clear for you.
Maybe sir, that sir, audio mic is audible. Check our audio.
Check one up. Hello, I'm audible guys. Now check.
Yes, sir.
Guys, yesterday we start with time series. Okay. We started with the first exponential smoothing model. Yes, today I may extend time by half an hour more. If I complete on time, I leave on time. If not, I extend for half an hour, max to max. In this exponential guys, how many methods we have? Three methods. Single, double and triple. So we have seen first one called as a single exponential. Either we call single or we call as simple exponential smoothing, shortcut ES. When do you use single exponential guys? Anyone? First we should have a pattern in random format. Okay. We first make a plot and we identify the pattern. Second, the pattern has to be in pattern. How many parameters we have? One parameter. And the parameter name is alpha. This alpha parameter is used for smoothing the series. Range of alpha is greater than 0, less than or equal to 1. Clear? Which we have not done in Python, we just have done in Excel and pen paper. Python is remaining. It is in Python also. Point number 4. Anything else? Map. Map is nothing but used to check your accuracy. Okay. What is the threshold for map? In fifth step, if everything is correct, then we go for forecast. What is the difference between forecast and prediction, guys? So when we have row relation or when we have time series data, we go for forecast. When we have every row independent, we go for your predictions. What happened? Screen. Clear? Anyone have any question in the flowchart, guys? To identify the best value of this alpha we use.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Now can you cross check please?
Yes, sir, I can see now.
Okay. Clear everyone? Now guys go to your drive. I will share the code of this. Network. You can use any Marticus class, Marticus 5G, anyone. Guys, you get the data. This is on drive. Online students able to see the screen for the drive.
Sir, screen is not visible again.
Okay. Anyone join from the mobile phone or anywhere from
It's visible now.
just update me once you're not able to see the screen, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have to go to your Google Drive, go to your machine learning, go to time series. Inside time series, we have exponential smoothing. Hi Karthik, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, Sam.
Okay. Just cross check once time if you're getting any not audible of my from my side or screen is stuck. Okay. Just update me.
Sure.
Guys, download the file, okay, open in your Python, and explain the code. The codes are very simple. The net is not working today.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Now cross check. You should able to see the screen. Okay, good.
No, sir.
Guys, 1 second, I'm just facing over here the internet issue. Using it, Matic is 5G for me.
For you is 5G.
No idea on this. Again went. Guys, 1 second, let me check the Wi-Fi of the new system. Okay. So guys, I'll start with the explanation of single exponential. So as we have done prior, moving average also, simple moving average, weighted moving average, then we done with the single exponential small. We done with Excel and pen paper. Now we'll do on Python. Okay. So guys, I've taken the same data which we have in Excel. Okay. To build your confidence, I've kept the data same as it is. We will take a live case study, a live data from website also later. Okay. So first we've taken a data set of a MetaFlow where we have their monthly production in terms of tons. So I import a package called as Matplotlib used for data visualization. Pandas works for data manipulation or EDA. NumPy is for array. OS we have used just to change the directory. And I'm using stats model, a module, submodule TSA, time series analysis, using the API of exponential smoothing, where we have simple exponential, 3 functions. You can use exponential, you can use simple exponential, you can use halt also. I import this data, guys. What is the first step, guys? Once we get data of time series, we make a plot. step number one, always. Once I make a plot, I get this type of pattern. So data is my main data that I import. I want to make plot, which plot? Line plot. On x-axis, I have taken a date, and y-axis I have taken as value. Which pattern we have, guys? Random. So here we have a random pattern. Okay, this is the data, guys. So what I've done, this is two columns, date and value. I convert a date column into index format. So in data, set index means I'm making a new index, which is nothing but date. Assigning in data 2. Clear? Okay. Now, guys, what is the equation for single exponential? Again, you have to do. What is the equation?
Sir, cannot see the screen.
Now just cross check. Visible. Ft is equal to alpha yt 1 plus 1 minus alpha ft minus 1. Perfect. So this is the equation for single exponential. Okay. Moving forward, guys. Same way, this equation, which we have the ft, the model equation, is applicable from which month onwards, guys? 20 is greater than or equal to 3. So this formula is applicable from third month onwards. We cannot have so this equation is possible from the third month onwards. So here we have T1 and T2 remains. T1 initially we can't do anything. T2 is your initial. If you remember, we take initial forecast. F2 is equal to Y1 in Excel and pen paper. Okay. I'll change the screen, guys. Using single exponential smoothing function, take data to initialize method means I will give the initial value, which is known for me. Initial level, if your F2 numbers, F2 value what I have taken? 240. Fit means apply the model. Smoothing level, I have taken alpha value as 0.5. If you want to change it, you can change any alpha value. In the classroom, guys, we have taken 0.4. Use same number, do not optimize. You don't want to optimize the number. Clear? I'm assigning in model and I want to see the parameters. Let me run. You can compare with Excel file. Let me open data for you. In data. Once, let me check in data. On screen. Month-wise, tons in production. Same data I have taken over here. Two columns, date and value. I convert date to index. Dataset name is data 2. This data 2 I have written over here. Clear? I'll repeat again if you want, guys. Single exponential smoothing. Data 2 is my data set. Initial values I will give you, which is 240. Alpha value I've given as 0.4. Fit. So fit means apply the model with alpha value as 0.4. Am I signing in model? Then I say give me parameters. Parameter means what are the options available. Here we are working for single exponential, so we have only alpha. When you work for double exponential, we will have alpha and beta. When you work for triple exponential, we will have alpha, beta and gamma. What is the initial value for alpha is 0.4. Beta, nothing we have given, it's none. Okay, initial value for trend is 240. We don't have beta and gamma, it's none for you. Till you're clear? We just have given these two numbers. Smoothing level, because alpha is used for smoothing, and initial value. Clear? So we say model dot fit. So model also do the prediction, do the forecast for every rows. If you remember, in this Excel, guys, we write equation. Remember this part? Alpha into point. What is alpha we have taken as? 0.4. So 0.4 into 260 plus 0.6 into 240. Same numbers are we getting? First month 240, second month 240, third month. This is third month value, guys. Okay. Alpha we have 240, 260. I have not run now. Or 0.5 the last times. Clear? What is your fourth month? 236. You can see it 04. This is for April month 2017 and the production is 236, which we predicted. Same we have over here, guys. The number will exactly match the way we have done pen paper. Okay. This is your till your given data. Now my question for you, using single exponential, can we predict for 4 months forward? No. How many months we can predict forward, guys? 1 month. Next month. Why only next 1 month only? We required previous values data. And we have data till August of 2018. So I can predict for September. I cannot predict for October. Okay? You can remember this. So I say model, I say forecast. For how many steps forward? 4 steps. So here I have monthly data, means I am predicting 4 months forward. Rename it, write alpha as 0.2. Assigning in fcast 1. Can you see all the numbers are same, guys? So we can do only forecast for 1 month forward. If you write forward any months, 3 months, 4 months, it will print you same as it is. Clear? Any question? So in the month of September, how many tons of maida we required, guys? 243 tons, 0.02. Same number, do we getting same or not? Just cross check. Let me run. Because I have taken alpha is 246.030633. Same number. You can cross check, guys. Not difference in decimal also. Can I say the way we do on pen paper, the way we do in Excel, same way we're getting in software. So we can say in the month of September, this much amount of tons of maida we needed to produce. Clear? Next, I have made my focus plot, guys. For the next the FCAST, my focus value, I want to make plot. Mark is 0, means are you getting a blue dot? Color has to be green. So this FCAST is nothing but my forecast value, the green one. We have dot also. Legend through means alpha value is coming to be at 0.2. Okay, it's we do not take also fine. We don't require a legend over here. Okay. Model is our main model. I say fitted value. So fitted value means, guys, this data. Till where your data is available and we have forecast. That's come under the sector of fitted value. I want to make a plot. Should have 0 dot. Color has to be blue. It's a random pattern. The blue color is your data. Green color is your forecast value. Clear? Guys, how we check the model performance? So this is in data. I say make a new column called forecast. Model dot fitted value will give you all the forecast values. Clear? Now, guys, to check the model performance, what I should use? RMSE or I can use MAPE. MAPE become more easy because it works on percentage. If I say my accuracy is 95%, how much is my error? 5%. If my accuracy is 90%, how much is my error? 10%. Now, vice versa. Error is 5%. Accuracy is 95%. So MAPE do a calculation of error percentage. What is the formula for error, guys? What is Y over here? Value. Focus is your Y hat. Y minus Y hat. Can you see the difference over here? Divide by value, take absolute, multiply by, compute mean and multiply by 100. So first we compute error. Go to data, go to value and do subtraction with data and forecast. Clear? See, guys, first we are doing this as subtraction. 240 minus 240 is how much? 0. 260 minus 240? 20. Clear for you? This value, each value, 20 divided by 260. Each value we're dividing with by your actual data. Clear? Anyone have any question, please ask. See. What is the first term, second row? 20. Can I say 20 divided by, what is the actual for third row, second row? 260. How much? 0.07. Same number, can you see? For entire column, can I get this is one column? Can we compute mean? After computing mean, guys, I multiply by 100. Clear? So how much is our mean? 11%. Easy, guys. So we get an error of 11% error. How much is accuracy then? 89%. What is the threshold for mean? Less than or equal to 10. Just let me copy paste the data. Now, guys, can I call giving alpha value is a manual way? Next, let's do automated way. Okay. Online students, any question, please ask.
Which control find the
See this one, no? Auto. Let's alpha decided by the system, by the laptop using grid search. And we'll also see the rate value. So manual we done. We cross check the numbers, each and every output in Excel and forecast also. Okay. Again, I import data, guys. I have data, my original data. I make data as an index. Clear. Now, guys, if you see I written simple exponential smoothing, data has to be taken from data to, I say fit. Apply the method. Optimize means find the best value. Okay, assign in fit auto and give me the parameter of that. What is alpha value is taken, guys? 1.49 e raised to 0.8. So negative number, so small number. 0.000014. What is the initial value is taken? 254. These two numbers has been taken by the software. So what the software do at the back end? It takes all the random numbers of alpha and select the best one and print for you. Same code.
just optimize code.
We just make optimized flow and I remove initial values and alpha value. You see this code, okay? What is the difference we have in this both the code, guys? What is the difference? This remain common. Data 2 remain common. Initial, don't know. Let software decide. Initial level, don't know. Let software decide. Clear. Smoothing level, alpha value, don't know. Let software decide. Software will decide automatically for you. The code look like similar. So this is called an auto. Next, I say fit auto, which is a model name. Okay. Give me the fitted value, make a data, and assign in forecast. Okay. Then, guys, I compute my error. Can I say this have less alpha, less make value? What is the threshold? Less than 10. So if your MAP is less than 10, that model is the best model for you. Clear? Easy, guys. Any question? Similar work the way we do in pen, paper and Excel. Only here we just write Python codes. But way of reading, fit forecast value, fitted value, then your error is similar, same exactly. Okay. Now guys, go to your drive. Okay. On your drive, I have uploaded an Excel file. You can take that one. It's a manual calculation file. This all numbers are verified numbers, guys. Okay, so you don't have to worry. What is the next method? Double exponential. Either we call double exponential or we call halt linear. Okay. It was invented in 1954, guys. It's an extension of linear simple exponential smoothing to linear exponential smoothing, which allow to forecast the data with trend. Anybody can explain what is a trend? Pattern, okay, which pattern? Which, how the trend look like? Linear.
Upward, downward.
Either upward or either downwards. It has to be monotonic. Either upward trend or either downward. Can you give me an example for upward trend?
Petrol price.
As year increases, petrol price increase.
Population.
Population also we can say. Can you give me an example for downward trend? As the price, as a year increases or as a month increases, the price of mobile phone decreases. Clear? That can be example of a trend. The trend can be upwards, trend can be downwards. So whenever we have a trending pattern, okay, a trend component, we have to use alt linear method. Clear? The forecast of alt linear exponential smoothing is found to use two constant. Single exponential, one constant, double exponential, two constant. First constant name is alpha and second is beta. In single way we have alpha, in double we have beta. Alpha and beta. Clear? What is the range of alpha, guys? What is the range of beta over here? So these are the equation. My suggestion for you, just write this part, will be more useful. And these three equations. I'll give you 2 minutes to write faster, guys. This is a screenshot which I have taken from the reference book, from where the first time series was invented. It's a very old book, guys, the first generation book. Kiran, why are you online today? Hello, Kiran, I'm audible. Hello, Kiran.
Hello, you are asking me.
Done, everyone? Guys, if you're done, I'll start with the explanation. For the first equation which you have written this equation, write in the bracket, write for smoothing, right? Make a bracket over here next to this and write this equation is for smoothing. Second equation in the bracket you write it's for trend. The second equation take care for trend. First equation take care your smoothing one. And the third equation is for forecast. It's for smoothing. Done, everyone? I'll go with Excel first. Okay. So guys, I have taken sales of 2 years, monthly data. So there's a company called Vijay Sales. Have you heard? Okay. So what happened? So the same way there are different companies, small setups, where they sell the quantity. Quality is different, quantity is different, guys. So every month, how much quantity they sales. So in the month of January 2017, they sales 302 number of products. This is your quantity. Second person, third person, and so on. Same way, guys, I have taken collected data for how many years? 2 years. This is for 17 and 18. From 19 onwards, we need to do a prediction. We need to do a forecast. Clear? Step number 1, what we do, guys? When we get a time series data, DES, okay, or we call as halt lean. Step number 1, always when we get data, we make a plot. Using plot, we identify the component. If the component is random, then we should go for single exponential. If we have this data, guys, Which pattern we have? Anyone? Upward. So can I say here we have a trending pattern, guys? But sometime you see there is small down. It's not a very straight line. Small down, small up is there. So that means it can move forward to your random also. The small glitch is also there. To take care of this glitch, we use alpha, which is called smoothing. But the point, what is the use of first equation? Second equation will take care of trend. First equation will take care of smoothing. Second equation notation parameter is beta. So beta is for trend, alpha is for smoothing. Clear, guys? Easy. Any question, Rahul? Vallabh?
ट्रेन में हम सिंगल ट्रेंड पे काम करते हैं, either upward or downward.
Yes.
Next trend right, then
We should go for second. We should go for second. Small glitch is okay. This much. Suddenly up. Small down. This is fine. When you have like this way. Okay, then it's become a tedious model. We will go for ARIMA. That will come later for your discussion. Clear? We'll go to Excel, guys. My suggestion for everyone, guys, first see the formula which you have written. Same formula I have written over here in the level of smoothing. Cross check, everyone. The formula which you have written, same formula which I have written over here. This formula, the two formula is applicable when we can do a forecast for second month onwards. First month we can't do anything. We can do from second month onwards. Any value of alpha, guys, you want to take? I'll write equation and solve for you. What should be the value of t, guys? What should be the value of alpha you want to take? You can say to me, guys. I'm okay with that. Any number, no? 0.3. Can you put on this equation? L2 alpha is 0.3 into y2 0.7 into L2 for L1 clear? Saurabh, any question? I just put the t and alpha value. Now guys, what is y2 in our data? What is y2? 332. So here we do not have L1, L2 because it's a forecast. We need to take the initial forecast. Okay. So initial forecast, normally what we do, even remember, we have done something F2. But here we have two equation, not only F. We have equation for smoothing and we have equation for trend. Smoothing is L and trend is P. Here smoothing I have taken as Y1. Okay. And trend I have taken Y2 minus Y1. How much is Y2 minus Y1, guys? 30. What is Y1? Can they clear? Any question? Please ask. This are called as initial forecast. You can write this. This concept is derived by the scientists, guys, not by me. I can prove over here. You can scroll down, you can see. initial process. L1 will be taken as y1. B1 is taken as y2 minus y1. At the point. Same thing guys I have done over here. Now what is L1 and B1 on this case? What is L1? What is the number? 302. What is B1? Notation clear guys? Easy to understand the notation? Can you put the data over here? 0.3 into 332 plus 0.7. How much is the addition guys? Or do you want me to write breakup here and write breakup here? 302 plus 30. Any question online students please ask. Any question in the mind guys? After doing a calculation, guys I have done in Excel for you. You don't have to worry, okay? Here I have taken alpha values 0.85. You can change the alpha numbers. If I take alpha 0.85, calculation becomes how much? 332. Clear? See, how much I have? Focus is how much? This is the value of L? 332. Same way guys, what is the value of T we have taken as? T is what sort of? T how much? Same to put over here in the second equation. Take beta value as 0.5, keep on solving. Clear? Do we get answer as 30? Same I am getting over here. Do you want to solve for one case or it's okay for Excel? I'm asking you, it's your opinion. Comfortable with Excel? Yogesh, Shubham, Vallabh, Rahul, Shantanu, Saurabh. You want to solve? ठीक है रिपीट ये क्लियर हो गया कैन यू राइट दिस यू राइट सॉल्यूशन फॉर 1 hour solutions these are your initial forecast. Once you're done, just inform me. And this is L1. Want to write proper? This L1 is called smoothing and B1 is called as clear guys. Shall I move forward? Online students, any question? Ragini, Priyanka?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. I just do a, we have done only for t equal to 2 for second month onwards. Now I take a second combination where we will do prediction for What is the value of t we have taken, guys? 2. Now we need to decide beta value. Take any numbers. It's I have taken 0.5. Can I put over here? B2. ये clear हो गया? Plus 1 minus 0.5 is how much? Clear. Now guys, what is L2? We solve and find now. 332. What is L1? L1 is how much? 302 plus 0.5. What is B1? Anyone who have a calculator can solve, or you can use your mobile phone also.
First value of L and B random.
No, it's an initial value. I show you the formula. It's not random, guys. ये formula से आया है. I'm changing Excel now. You just have to wait. Then guys, give me the number what you get.
30.
Cross check. He is getting 30. Online students, cross check and give me the number, please.
30.
So L1 is how much we get after solving. L2 is how much? 332. In B2 after solving we get as clear. Anyone can read the formula for your F formula.
Plus N equals to
Guys, understand the forecast formula, please. F T plus M LT plus PT plus M into M above it. On screen, I'll go very slow. What is the value of T, guys? 2. Can you put away your F2 plus M L2 plus P2 into M. Now question comes, what is M? Okay, M means how many months, what types of data we have. If I have monthly data, M stands for month. Now guys, we are doing prediction for which row, guys? Second row. Okay, so backward row is how much? January. Forward row is Feb. No? Currently we are in Feb. Backward is Jan. From Jan, how many steps I go forward? One step. No? From Jan to March, from Jan to Feb. 1 month I am moving forward. So what should be the value of N? 1. Two plus 1, 3. Any number multiplied by M, 1 is how much? What is the summation? For which row we predicted, guys?
as line considerability.
Any question in your mind, guys, please ask.
And अगर ज़्यादा area
We have to work on row wise, sequential wise, row by row. It's a row dependent data. Same way prior, look at this way, L1 plus B1. Second row, थर्ड रो एंड सो ऑन. M हमेशा 1 होगा. चलिए क्लियर. On screen you just have to do 1 303 302 and 30 automatic match हो जाता है. We have data till which month, guys? December. In a year, how many months data we have? 12 months. We have data of 2 years. How many months data we have? 24 months. So T24 is available. T25 is not available. So we need to forecast. Clear? Let's see, no? We have data available till 24. Data available, okay? I want to predict for T is equal to 25. How many months forward I move, guys? 1 month. M value will be 1. The formula will remain as F25 is equal to L24 plus B24 into 1. What is L24? 847. B24 20. Multiplied by 1 is how much? 868. ये clear हो गया? I want to predict for Feb. We have available data till 24. Feb will become as 26. How many months forward I'm moving, guys? What should be a value of M? Equation will become as got the point. Any question? Shantanu, clear? ये जो वैल्यू है ना, दिस विल बी फिक्स. वो हमारे फिक्स हो जाएंगे. एल एंड बी. वी हैव टिल L24 ना, ये नंबर्स जो है ना, ये फिक्स हो जाएंगे हमारे लिए. Clear? This two number will become fixed for you. So here you have to take as L24 only. You cannot change this. ये fixation हो जाएंगे. And when you keep on changing, this will become as 25 and so on. But at the end, the back end is 24 only. Okay? ये ऐसे बिहेव करेंगे. Any question? L24 थे, B24 थे, will be remain constant for any 1 month for forward forecast we do. I'll repeat once. L24, B24, the value will remain constant for the forward month's forecast. I can verify these numbers also, don't worry. Clear? Okay. This calculation is separate. When you go for interview, nobody will ask you calculations. Nobody will ask you formula. Why I'm teaching you calculation, you should be aware. Double exponential can be used to forecast for n month forward. And single exponential is only for 1 month. Got the difference? Okay. Let's write the difference, guys. Single exponential versus double exponential. When do you single, guys? This pattern. Double exponential. Right. How many parameter we have over here? Alpha, 1 parameter. How many have over here? Alpha and beta. Alpha is used for smoothing. ये clear हो गया? Here beta is used for print. Point number 3, year weekend forecast only. And year weekend forecast for, if I say give me forecast for forward 4 months, what should be the value of M guys last? 4. If I say give me forecast for the next 10 months, M variable start from 1 to 10. Clear? Any question? Now guys, if I show you in Python, don't worry, we'll do in Python also. See the codes, see the difference, how I work. On screen. First I import the data guys. What is the first month? 17. First value 302, 332, 338. Same data guys we have in Excel. You can see over here. First step when you get data, I will make something known as plot. Which pattern we have? Upward trees. Here we can say hashtag the pattern is trend, which is nothing but just clear guys. Next, I convert my date into index. Same repetition. Now I say manual model. I want to use halt. Can I call double exponential is also halt method? So using halt, data set name is data2. Initial value is 302. End is 30. Initial one. Initial I know. Take this initial. Alpha value is taken as 0.7. I can take 0.8 also. It's my opinion. Okay. Let me check with an Excel what I have taken in the Excel. 0.7. I change again. So here we have 0.7 and 0.5. Optimization, don't optimize, use same number which I gave. Bias should not be there. Okay. Here are the parameter. Clear? Now if you see guys, smoothing is for alpha, trend is for beta, initial value for alpha, initial value for beta. This is L1, this is P1. Clear guys? In the double exponent we have 3 equations, L equation, P equation, F equation. Model, fitted value. For the first one, what is the prediction? Second, can you cross check from here guys? Second month, process 332. I'll come and cross check data once again. PD dot for data frame, PD for pandas. I want to make data frame. Okay. NP stand for combine. C for combine. Means you're doing this with the concatenation. Our data is in array, so you're using NP. Take sales, take level, which is your alpha values, take beta for trend, and give me fitted numbers. Clear guys? Any question anyone have? I just have to do addition, nothing else. The numbers which I have, it's matching with us is 351.575 for which month? Second, third row. Exact match. All numbers will match. I've just shown you this number. Okay. Now round up the numbers. 5-digit 0. Model, use our model to forecast. For how many months forward, guys? 12 months means 1 year. Assigning in forecast. Every month's forecast we have. We have data till 2018. We have done prediction for entire year of 2019. I'm going to repeat. Now guys, for this month, we have data till December. For 19 January, what is the forecast value? 863. Do we have same? For Feb months, for 2019, what is the forecast number? 881. Do we have same? For 19 March, what is the value? 899. Do we have a same, guys? Answer matches with Excel. Exactly same, not change in decimal also. So guys, these are the production. So we say that to the Vijay Sales, the company, in 2019, in the month of January, you will going to sell 863 number of products. It can be mobile phone, television, can be many things. Make sure this number of unit you are going to sales. Clear? I have done forward 6 months. You can take 6 also. I have taken 12. On screen. Model. Let's take a forecast value and I want to make a plot. Color has to be green. Okay. And make a dot. Green dot. From the model, take fitted value, make a plot. Color has to be blue. Can you see? Easy, guys. Can I say our prediction is moving in the same direction as per the data? Upward trend only. Next, we compute we make a data set. In data 2, we have all the actuals. I just added forecast values. Next, I compute my mean. What is the mean, guys? 3.5%, less than 10. Can I say the model is good fit? Easy. So double exponential, manual. We get MAP as. Let's try with AutoWay, guys. In manual, we give alpha value and we give initial value. When you want to work on manual, guys, you do not have to give the alpha and beta values. Perfect. Let me copy paste this location. This is the data. I make a plot. I convert date into index. I just written run which model? Halt. Take on data. Did I give any alpha value, beta value, guys? No. The software will decide. What is the value software decided for alpha? For trend? 0. Initial value for L1? P1. This will give you fitted value. These are your mean value. Which is smallest, guys? So auto is better or manual is better? It's better.
In the case, maybe it's 0 or 0.5.
Your model is overfit, na? Error is 0 means accuracy is 100% right. This should not happen. You should come close to, but not 0.
We can keep it or load it based on the alpha load.
हाँ. So जब हमने alpha 0.7 रखा, you get error 3.5. When you take alpha as 0.9, you get answer as 2.5. So can I say any change in alpha and beta will change my accuracy? Any change in alpha and beta will change my forecast? Clear? Any question, guys, you can ask. I'm open to any question. Yes. Here in MAPE, we do not have a threshold. We require less and less MAPE. The thresholds come under predictive models, not in for forecast models. Online students, any question? Priyanka, Ragini?
No, sir.
It is software backend, it apply grid search for you. Applying grid search, he select this best one, guys, okay? The best number here, it select based on grid search and give you.
Grade set का अलग से comment डालना है.
We don't have to write it. It's in built. Easy, guys, or very difficult to understand it.
Just that part.
It just
Whatever the error we are having, if you know y minus y had that error. So if you consider that error as our y and predict error, if you forecast error and then we sum with it,
no.
that's how we get accuracy.
That is your ARIMA model.
That is our but you error कम कर ली तो we more closer.
You are thinking like boosting way. Predict the error. If error is low, accuracy is high. That thinking has done 50 years, 20, 30, 40 years before. By one of the scientists. That is called ARIMA model.
That model is there.
I will teach you.
तो error को भी अलग से forecast करेंगे, इसको भी अलग से forecast करेंगे.
It's fine.
और एक्सेल में वो जो सुपर इम्पोर्ट ग्राफ बना है, 2 कॉलम्स लेकर पाइथन.
Primary and secondary access. I teach you. ऐसे सिंपल से लिखना है. वहाँ पे ड्रैग करो, अरेंज करो. चलिए क्लियर गाइस. Need a break? Or should I continue? I'm asking you. Continue? I require. If I continue, I require 10 minutes.
And then after 10 minutes,
After 10 minutes, what happened? This exponential will be done for you. Huh? Triple, na? Triple के लिए 10 minutes.
after 10 minutes.
Online students, guys, I'm audible. Okay. We'll make a small summary report later also. I will share this file in the drive. Don't worry. Okay. Everything I uploaded as a backup for you, you can take from there also. Everything I've given over here. Okay. Let's go to triple one. In single exponential, guys, okay, on screen, SES. Double exponential. You clear again? In single exponential is used when we have random. Double exponential is used when we have. You clear here? The point number one. Point number one. Point number two. Here we have alpha. It's only take care for smoothing. It take care for smoothing also and also. One row forward. It's forecast for nth row forwards. Clear? Condition for MAP is clear guys. If you see the process flow remains same for all two methods, we'll give you time to write Shantanu. Here we have triple exponential. I'll make a plot, you see first. I get data guys, I've seen the head, I just make a plot. Which pattern we have guys? Anyone?
Cyclic.
Yeah, cyclic. Do we have trend? Do we have seasonal? But it is same pattern reflecting peak every time. So here we can say that triple exponential is used when we have and here you can say plus. If I open the theory notes guys, alt method was extended by winter. Okay, in which year? So after every 10 years they invented a new method. Okay, we are studying in half an hour, then only 10 after 10 years. Is used to capture seasonality directly. So alt winter method is based on three smoothing equation. One for level, one for trend, and one for seasonality. So basically, this we can say that it is mostly and preferable to use when we have seasonal parameter. Clear? How many equation I will have over here guys? 3. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is used for smoothing. Beta is used for trend. Gamma is used for seasonal. Clear guys? Any question? Easy. Here we can also forecast for nth row. And fifth point is May value has to be less than or equal to 8. What the difference when to use which one? On screen. Guys, now manual and auto clear for you. Let's say data. Convert your date into index. I have the number of passenger traveling using air flight from 1949 till 1960. So I have 11 years data. Every month, how many people travel using air flights? Will you clear? Next, I'll take an auto model, expenditure smoothing, take data. Okay. How many months data we have? So we have to specify the seasonal period because the data is monthly. If I have quarterly, then what should be the value over here? 4. If I have weekly, 52. Will you clear? Then I say fit. Trend keep on adding. If you do not write, it's fine, guys. System will take care, okay? We just have to give the parameter names, whether it is a monthly data or a weekly data or a quarterly data, that we have to predefine. What is the level for alpha, guys? Alpha value is how much? 1 up 50. What is beta value? 10.3 e raised to minus 0.8. What is for gamma value? Initial value. This is L1. This is your V1. This is your gamma 1. Because in gamma we have 12 months. So I will have 12 gamma values. Then I say fitted values. Model.fit for the given data. Till 1960. Then I make a data frame. Actuals and forecast. It code remains same. I never change the code also here. Next, I say using my model, I need to forecast for how many months? Forward 24 months. Assigning forecast 2. Clear? For every month that I'm getting a forecast, I just make a plot. See in the plot, guys, code remains same. I never change code also. Can I say the way my blue data moves? Same pattern I build prediction for the forward years. Easy. Next, we make a passenger, my actuals and my forecast. I compute my mean. How much? 3.08. Less than 10. Can you see the model is good fit with 3% error and 97% accuracy? Clear? Easy, guys. Can you write this one as a distinguish between exponential smoothing Hello. Online students have written this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you're done, guys, take a break of 10 minutes. After break, we'll start with ARIMA model. It's a very simple, easy model. Here, I have shown you maths also. So you may find difficult. But if you see the structure, it's a steps, every model is a 5-step process. Can I say first step is very important? If first step is wrong, remaining all will become wrong for you. Clear? Okay. It's 10 minutes break. It's 1:13. 10:23 will start. 1:23. Guys, shall we start? Swallow. Let's start now. We have first method called RIMA. RIMA is a very simple method, guys, not very complex. I will not solve for maths over here because you found maths fairly difficult for understanding. We'll do concept wise. Okay. Right. First point. Add with me. Concept. Concept. Right. You can write. Full form. Auto-digressive. Integrated moving average.
Sir cannot see the screen.
Guys, I'm writing notation D. Guys, done. Online students, done everyone?
Yes, sir. Done.
Guys, we'll see one by one. Guys, anyone can explain what is the meaning of stationary? Remain constant, not movement, not movement. It is called stationary. Stationary can be seen in two ways. It is your plot in the system. Now let's say we have this pattern this. Here we take times, if you remember, and here we take your fixed value or price of petrol or anything. Let's say petrol price. Can I say as year change, the petrol price increases? Which look like stationary, guys. If you see like the first plot, as time increases, your value also increase. Here if you see as time increases, but the value are coming in a range. So this plot, the plot number B is called stationary. Plot number A is non-stationary. And you are clear how to read. Any change in time will reflect on your sale, that is non-stationary. Any change in time, but the value does not change. It remains constant. It is called as stationary. Non? No train, no pattern. Clear. Easy guys to read stationary from the plot. Can you draw this? I'll write over here as value. It becomes easy for you. Any value can come, na? Done everyone? Second method is to check this. Run the diagram, guys. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Second test is augmented test, or we call ADF test. Guys, if you remember T test, Z test, chi-square test, every test have their own hypothesis. Write this. So these are two methods which help us to find whether our data is stationary or non-stationary. Clear one now? Written? And everyone, and erase this part. Okay, last structure. Whenever we receive a data of time series, first what we do guys, we make plot. Making plot, we identify component. Clear? So from the plot also we can check stationary. Okay. So in Arima, once you receive a data, you make a plot and you help us to identify whether your data is stationary or not. If it is yes, it's stationary, happy, we are happy. If data is non-stationary, it becomes difficult for us. If happy, we can say data is stationary, yes. Go for model, you are allowed. Otherwise, no. If data is non-stationary, we need to convert. The converting parameter is your preference. So we need to do preferencing directly here, or I will just write difference. In differencing, guys, we have two orders. First order and second order. Be clear here. Else teach you what is the meaning of differencing. What is the notation for differencing, guys? Small d. Guys, this is your original data. I've taken an example to explain what is the differencing, how it works. I make a pattern which we have convert rate. ये clear हो गया? Okay. Moving forward, first compute variance of original data. How much variance I have? 38,347. Clear. Now difference. Guys, what is the meaning of difference? Table lines. Difference means इंग्लिश में डिफरेंस मैथ्स में क्या होगा? सबट्रैक्शन ना, फेब वैल्यू माइनस देन वैल्यू. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर मार्क्स वैल्यू माइनस clear. The way I do difference for one row, same way I do difference for columns. Clear. Any question you have? Now second order. First order second row minus first order first row. Clear. Any question, Vallabh? Any question, Ragini? Easy?
No, sir.
Now we'll compute variance for all three. Variance for original data, variance for first order, variance for second order. When you do first order and second order, where we have the smallest variance. Which one? ये वेरिएंस है, ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर है, ये सेकेंड ऑर्डर. विच हैव द स्मॉलेस्ट वेरिएंस? Select the order which have the which is the smallest, guys. ये clear हो गया? So what should be the value of D? 1. Got the point how this one is selected, guys? Anyone have any question, please ask. Now this data will be used to check stationary. How we check stationary? Easy way, ADF test. Clear. So whenever we receive data also, guys, if you remember, to confirm we use ADF test. Any question in the structure flow, guys? Now which data I will use? I will not use this sales data. I will use this first order data. This data will be used to run and check whether we have data stationary or non-stationary. Clear? Shall I show you answer in different software? It will be fine. Just for learning point of view, I'm just doing in different software. In future, we're going to learn the software also. Okay, what is the first step? Guys, I have changed the platform. Okay, but the concept remains same. We are learning concept, not programming. First step, whenever we receive data, what we do? We make a plot. Which pattern we have? Slightly upwards. Okay, somewhere we have small drop down also. 1990s and 2010, somewhere small down. Next, do we call stationary? Looking at the plot, it is non-stationary. So let's confirm with ADF test also. What is the hypothesis for ADF test, guys? Look at the p-value. What can I do? I can shuffle like this way. Take this up. What is the p-value, guys? Less than alpha or greater than alpha? If greater than alpha, what we do? We fail to reject. We do not reject H naught. If p-value is less than alpha, we reject. Here the p-value is greater. So can I say if you fail to reject H naught, okay, what is the answer? Data is non-stationary. Clear? So we are on which stage, guys? To convert into stationary, what we use? Difference. Clear? Difference can be first order and second order. Steps clear, guys. The way we are learning. First, we compute original data variance. How much? 400. First order difference variance. Second order. Which is the smallest, first or second? So what could be the value of D, guys? Be clear how we get this first order sort of. Now this first order data has to be stationary. ये conditions है. Without stationary we cannot go for model. Are you getting the point? To confirm whether we have stationary or not, what we have to do? ADF test. Clear? Is this simple now? What is the p-value? P-value is smaller than 28 p-value. Actually, it's very small. What is alpha beta? Can I say p-value is less than alpha?
Yes.
If p-value is less than alpha, what we do? We reject H naught. After rejecting H naught, okay, means you're ignoring H naught. What is the answer remain? Easy, guys. If data is stationary, we should go for what? Any question, please ask. Okay, differencing here.
First order here.
इसका smallest variance है. We select that one. And उसी data का we compute stationary. If it is stationary, we will go for one. Any question?
नया वेरिएबल फोरकास्ट करता है वो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर होगा.
वो बाकी है. फोकस हम सिर्फ मॉडल का पैटर्न समझ रहे हैं. क्लियर? Right this. Done everyone?
जो पहले वाला पिछला वाला था वो हमने किसके ऊपर किया था ऐसे?
करो इसका लिखा है करो। पैसा एक्चुअली किसने लिखा है?
बेस डेटा को पहले हमने टेस्ट किया आईडिया उसमें हमें पता था
क्या यूज करते हैं? वेयर टू यूज ADF?
डेटा स्टेटमेंट इसलिए चेक किया पहले मेन डेटा पे चेक किया उसमें स्टेटमेंट भी पता चला उसके बाद हमने उसका डिफरेंस दिया इनका कलर के सिस्टम वेरिएंस चेक किया इसका कम टू उसका हमने वापस से
उसको सिलेक्ट किया फिर उसका ADF लिखा।
डायरेक्ट मतलब वैल्यू है
वो टेस्ट है, जब T टेस्ट है, Z टेस्ट है, वैसे ADF टेस्ट का नाम है। अभी लिखा तो है ADF टेस्ट ऑगमेंटेड टिक फिलर,
उसमें भी नहीं आता स्टेटमेंट
so we should go for second one. If not second, go for third one. Second order, third order, and so on.
अभी तो तुम्हें आएगा ही
First and second में आ जाएगा mostly. Clear. Easy guys. Structure flow clear for you. Difficult like structure to understand. Can I call this is point number 1? This is point number 2. As per the theory, 5-point summary we have written. The system required very high connectivity. Next one, guys. What is our step number 3? What we required? ACF. How we check autocorrelation? How we check correlation, guys? Correlation matrix. Correlation is you should check between how many. It's row wise or column wise? Column wise. Correlation is between X and Y. Y column. When I say autocorrelation, it's become row wise. We're checking the correlation between row wise. Multi is also for column wise. No?
Between individual
So यहाँ पे कितने वेरिएबल्स होते हैं?
data points.
Autocorrelation means relation between row wise, between data points. Notation for ACF is what, guys? Q, PACF, P. Full form for PACF is? So here we have two methods. It will be okay if I write shortcut, guys. ACF and PACF. Let me first write data, guys. Give you time. Write along with me, it's okay. We'll save time. Cool. Online students, write with me. Is this concept done? Your Arino will done. Shall I? Let me complete. You have to write many things. You have to have a space over here. Now, guys, can I say this is the price of the mobile? As month increases, the price of the phone decreases. Can I say April value depends on March value?
Yes.
How many months backward I'm moving, guys? 1 month. So April depends on March. March means there has some relation. How many months backward I go? We call lag one. April value depends on Feb or not. Okay. How many months backward I'm going, guys? It will be lag 2. Let's compute correlation example. I will compute autocorrelation. I get number as 0.90. How we read? April and March have how much percent relation? 90%. April, same way for PACF. April to Feb, March. How many months backward? So we call this as lag one, correct? Now if I say April to Feb, how many months backward? So this will come as lag. Notation clear, lag 1, lag 2, guys. When I say ACF means autocorrelation, correlation between row. Because in time series, current value depends on past value. So April depends on March, March depends on Feb, and so on. To find that relation, we use ACF. To find the relation between rows, we use ACF. So April depends on March, lag 1. April depends on Feb. By default, March will contribute. This is called lag 2. Let's say I have relation of 0.60. How much percent? 60% relation with interaction of March. ये clear हो गया? But when I say PACF, Relation of April with March is how much percent? 0.9. April with Feb. How much percent? Do we have mass interaction, guys? Do we have interaction of March in PCF? No. So this is Alec relationship. Is to capture, and this is for interaction relationship. Till you're clear? So April directly with Feb, and April, if I say April directly with Jan, how many months backward? So what is with the lag? If I check April with Jan, how many backward? So by default, Feb will also be there and March will also be there because it is a interaction relation. Clear? Difference clear, guys? Okay. You don't have to write. Wait for a second. What is the notation for ACF? Notation for PACF? If you remember 0.9, 0.7, that number I'll make a plot. That's what you're clicking. This is upper limit. This is lower limit. Upper limit, lower limit. Center we have. How many months backward we go, guys, from April? 3 months. So at the year we have option called as lag 1, lag 2, lag 3. You want to understand the plot? Here we will have lag 1, lag 2, lag 3. I'll just make a bar for you. How many bars I have, guys? In the ACF? Okay. This bar are nothing but your lag bar, guys. यहाँ पे numbers कहते हैं 0.9. So start from 0 go up to 0.9 till you're clear. How this bar is made for you? Any question? Write this one and start the explanation later. Finish this part.
This line is just simple correlation.
It's a backward correlation.
Backward.
Simple correlation with row wise, but not column wise. Write this one, guys.
Sir, you are not audible.
Guys, written the rule number 1 and 2. Ragini done.
Yes, sir, done.
Now remember this. This is called as bar. Bar 1. This one is bar 2. Bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, 6 and 7. So we need to count the bar which are continuous. Continuous भी होने चाहिए and they should cross upper or lower limit. In ACF, how many bar are crossing, guys? These 2 bar are continuous. So what should be the value of ACF? Nothing like this way. In PACF, how many bar we have? 7. How many bar are crossing? 2 bar. First bar crosses. Second bar cross. No, they are continuous. No, value will be 1. We need to count only that bar which are continuously and crossing.
Means 2 additional bars to cross.
Not 2. Number of bars.
Number of more than means what
Now next condition. I'll change for you. How many bar crosses in ACF, guys? 3. But how many are continuous? So what should be the value of ACF? How many bar are continuously and crossing the ACF, guys? Why not 5? Guys, rule number 1 पढ़ो ना पहले. What is the rule? Read the rule.
continuous and lost either upper limit or lower.
How many are continuous?
4. Here continuous. 4.
बार कंटिन्यूस भी होनी चाहिए और वही बार क्रॉस करनी चाहिए. बार 1 क्रॉसेस, बार 2 क्रॉसेस, बार 3 क्रॉसेस, देयर इन सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर कंटिन्यूस. बार 4 क्रॉसेस, बार 5 क्रॉस. So we have continuity. No, so we should stop. How many we have? There is a count. What is the value? अब समझा. Now let's read this one. Okay. In PACF, first bar crosses, second bar crosses, third bar. So can you say continuity gets stopped? How many we have continuous? Easy to read. It has to be in sequence, continuous order. Any question in your mind, guys? Easy. How to find ACF and PACF value? कोई क्वेश्चन है? कोरिलेशन के बारे में ले लो, उसको प्लॉट कर दो. क्या it's a formula based purely. You want to see the formula? You want calculation?
The auto calculation में एक एग्जांपल कैलकुलेट करते हैं वाइज पॉसिबल क्योंकि 2 ही पॉइंट है ना आज हो जाए तो उनके बीच में का कोरिलेशन कैसे करना
उसका फॉर्मूला अलग है. बहुत tedious है. I'll give you that. Okay. Now guys, you tell me first plot, second plot, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Shantanu, tell me how many values of ACF we have? Why 2? 2 are continuous, bars are crossing. Ragini, how many? What should be the value of PACF?
3.
3. Perfect. Easy to read.
मैक्सिमम वाली चीज 3 और 2 भी प्लस कर रहा है
3 to be. Continuous कौन से हैं?
कंडीशन 3 भी है आगे 3
Sequence नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन है सर कि
ऐसे कुछ नहीं. Sequence continuous. Easy है. यहाँ पे 3 है, वहाँ पे 2, ऐसा कोई लॉजिक नहीं. कंटिन्यूस नहीं है ना. It's break somewhere.
अगर आगे भी continuous आता है
We don't want. It has to be in sequence. This. Now clear?
multiple
अरे sequence है.
सीक्वेंस है तीन को सबसे पहले तीन है तीन कंडीशन कंसीडर करेंगे आगे अगर चार क्रॉस होते हैं
Sequence है. यहाँ पे आपके 4 हो जाए, ठीक है, आपके 5 हो जाए, 6 हो जाए, they are in sequence. Like once relation check होगा ना, March to April, April to May, May to June, you're going backward. In middle month there is no relation, why you will go backward? Should I repeat? Just read the rule, follow the rule. हाँ, ऑटो नहीं करेंगे हम, लेकिन हिंदू मैनुअली, इज लर्निंग मैनुअली. ये क्लियर हो गया. व्हाट इज द सेकंड रूल से गाइस? If sign pattern occurs in ACF or PACF, the value will be state taken as 0. Now let's see sign pattern. What does sign pattern means? Clear? So we have sign pattern over here, guys. In ACF, what will be the value? In PACF, what should be the value, Rahul? Y2.
first two cross
First two crossing, and then we have condition stop. So we should take as 2. Easy to read. Sign pattern occurs 0. Look like S shape. S को ऐसे लिखा है ना उसका सर.
that is a rule
No, that's a rule. These two note are two rules only. Clear? Anywhere occur. If I make this as PACF,
मतलब सर ऐसा हो कि तीन ऊपर जा रहा है तीन नीचे जा रहा है ऐसा कुछ भी है टाइम में
sine wave pattern है proper.
साइन क्रॉस
If this is your PACF, what is the value of P? How we get the 0? Based on second rule. What is the value of Q? Based on first rule. Easy हो गया. So how many steps we have in ARIMA? 5 steps. Stationary, difference, ACF, PACF, order. Now in order, guys, what are the things we required?
I cannot see the screen.
In order, we required P, we required D, we required Q. D stand for, P stand for, Q stand for. Now as per this, what do we find, guys? 0, 2. Now let's do one by one. On screen, 5 minutes, your work will be done. Whatever we have learned, we'll do practicality now. First we import data. We check pattern. Which pattern we have? Upward trend. Stationary? No. Let's confirm it ADF test. What is the p-value? Stationary or non-stationary? Non-stationary. If I need to convert into stationary, what should I do? Chart देखो ना. If data is non-stationary, Idle augmented test only. चलो ये इसका लक्ष्य तो देखो, ये टेस्ट का आउटपुट है ना, तो ईडीएफ रन किया ना, इसके बाद क्या करना है? We have to do first order and second order, means you have to do difference. Clear. Should I go more slow? How we select which order is the best? Okay. Which is the smallest one? First one. So what should be the value of D now? D difference value will be 1. तो D की वैल्यू क्या हो गई हमारे लिए? 1 होगी. ये क्लियर हो गया? Now that D has to be stationary. Are we getting stationary now? So we say that our data becomes stationary. So point number 1 and point number 2 we done it. What will remain point number 3 in Arima? ACF. Which pattern we have for this ACF one? Stand pattern occurs. What should be the value? ACF notation. Next is you have to do PACF. Notation for PACF. P. And how many bars we have? Done for you. This is order of Arima. ये हो गया आपका Arima model. So Arima take data of order 110. Again P1 D10. This thing we have learned which Arima model we need to select. Got the point? From my side, concept done. We'll do Python later. Condition which type of model we have to run in Arima. Arima is a combination of 3 things: stationarity, ACF, PCF. To come stationarity, we use difference. We do difference because we need stationarity. But the point, these are the 3 points to run Arima model. There are 3 points we have covered. Any question? Please ask.
Sir, when do we use Arima model?
Yes. Yes, please repeat the question, Ragini.
When do we use Arima model?
Arima is used when all time series model fail. You apply exponential smoothing, single, double, triple. Your accuracy is not increasing. Your error is more than 10. Your prediction is not accurate. That time you have to go to Arima. So Arima take care of random, trend, seasonal, cyclical, everything. Now Priya. What's the answer, Agni?
Yes, sir, got it.
And for the day. Any question you can ask. हाँ? क्यों zero आएगी? ये scenario में zero है. In this scenario we have zero. It's not a rule every time you will get zero. There may be many scenarios where you get numbers. It's not a rule every time you will get zero. So you want to see some answer. From my side, it's done. Ragini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll run different model, guys. Okay. Be on screen. I've taken IBM data. These are verified data. Okay. Which I'm running. I've taken stock price data of IBM. See what happened. 1990s crash. Recession happens. First, we need to check data is stationary or not. We use ADF. What do you suggest? Data is not stationary. You can see there is data. I've taken only IBM data, guys.
I did stop it.
Clear. If we need a data has to be stationary, what we do? See the flow chart. We do differentiate. On screen. I do first order. I check my p value. What is the answer we have? Less than 0.05. Can I say data becomes stationary? What is the value of D? 1. ये clear हो गया? I just make ACF. What is the value of ACF? So 2 हो गया. ACF rotation is Q. What is PACF? So P1, D1, Q2. Easy to read. See P1, D1, Q2. Again, easy to read. But the point. So it is not always you will get sine pattern. You will get different pattern as data change. Concept clear, guys. I just teach you P, D, Q stationary difference. I have not teach you the model below one. It's remaining. Again, any question, any doubt on offering students, any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Thank you. If there is any question in your mind, please ask. If no question, no doubt, you can stop.
The bar touches the line.
Crossing has to be counted. Touching is not counted. If it is cross, we can accept, otherwise not.
Or says upper limit and lower limit.
Upper limit, it's come from the formula by square root of n.
The root of
N. Yes. Clear, guys. Look like heavy, Arima. Easy. We'll stop now, guys. Thank you, Ragini.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ragini.
Yeah, sir. So when do we have a practice mock next week?
Will update you the dates. Okay. Once I complete my time series, then you will get a date.
Okay, and tomorrow we have off, right?
Yes, tomorrow you have an off.
Okay.
So make sure you practice your decision tree, random forest, boosting. Okay. Do not waste your time, guys. Utilize your time when you're getting a holiday. So that next week onwards, you will never get a holiday. Okay. That time you will say we need holiday, you will not get it. Once getting, utilize. Thank you.
how it is.
Okay, sir. Thank you.